Every year, Tucson Electric Power and our employees look forward to the Go Green Awards, where we recognize businesses and organizations who are doing meaningful work to protect our environment and our community. This morning, we're out at Manzo Elementary to honor the STEMAZing Institute with a Go Green Educational Partner Award. TEP is doing this in recognition of the difference they are making to engage students and teachers around the concepts of science, technology, engineering, and math, or STEM.
I have said for a long time that all the work we do at the STEMAZing project, the most important thing is just the morale boost that it provides to the teachers so that they feel valued, they feel like professional educators, and they're able to connect and share with other passionate educators in those settings.
The STEMAZing Institute was able to adapt and provide these teaching opportunities during the pandemic when teachers needed it the most.
Working with teachers and teacher professional development is probably the most important thing that we do. When you can impact the way a teacher teaches, then those impacts spread across all of the students in their classroom and their educational career. It really also helps us to build kind of a culture of learning at those schools where the teachers contextualize their content, get kids outside, get kids doing things.
STEM education is absolutely critical in identifying future solutions for a healthier world. But educational sustainability also means providing today's teachers with the resources they need to be effective.
Sustainability is so important for teachers to be able from year to year be able to feel confident about going into the classroom, being able to present information that's valid and valuable, and to have the hands-on materials so that they can engage students into creating sustainability in their worlds and see how important that sustainability is.
We need citizens who are energy literate, and we need students to know about energy, how we get it, where it comes from, and on and on. And so all of that layers into climate change and big issues that we have that we need children to actually be working on to solve. So sustainability and energy and understanding the world around you is the most important thing.
We're out here under the solar panels in Manzo's agrivoltaic garden because it's where the gardening strand of the STEMAZing Institute takes place each year.
We heard from both students and teachers alike that the garden felt good, and the garden was a nice contrast to all the time spent on computers.
This is where students learn concepts about sustainable methods to grow food and feed our planet. It's also where we're learning more about how the therapeutic nature of gardening helps meet the social and emotional needs of children.